In today's world, data is the jet fuel powering innovation and growth. But data alone is not enough. It needs to be harnessed, cleaned, and transformed. That's where KeepFlying comes in. KeepFlying is a leading provider of end-to-end data solutions, extracting data from various sources, profiling, classifying, and cleaning it. We at KeepFlying don't stop there. We transform this data into a machine-readable and usable format that can be fed directly to AI and ML models. KeepFlying, with their ever-growing trusted partner ecosystem that include Databricks, Microsoft, SAP, and more, offers robust, integrated solutions that ease the process of data management, governance, and pipeline creation. Specialized in aviation-specific language models, semantics, and heuristics, we ensure a clean, unified data set for your various business needs. Join us on our mission to power AI with clean, unified, and machine-readable data. Let's fly into the future, together.